Hey, Corpus Christi, Cessna number 406 at uniform. We'll have to go ahead and cancel flight following at this time, please.
6 at uniform, radar service terminates, walk before for exchange crew. Just use caution for the McCampbell Port Airport.
Mustang Beach traffic, Cessna November 406 at uniform is approximately 10 to the northwest. We'll enter straight in for runway 12, full stop, Mustang Beach.
Just touched down at Port Aransas. As you can see, it's still daylight outside. By the time Jonathan gets here, it should be dark. So I'm gonna head to the hotel, chill out for a little bit, wait for him to get there, and I'll check back in with you guys then. Hey guys, what's going on? It's JB just checking in with you here at the ferry in Port Aransas. About 10 minutes or so from the hotel. Got to take the ferry across, and once I get over there, I'm gonna meet up with Kevin. We're gonna go get some food, so keep you in touch with what's going on. What's up, guys? This has been a while. Last time you saw me, it was still light outside. Since then, Jonathan has been patiently on the road, taking a slow scenic route, and I'm sure he's seen a lot. We'll see when we cut it all together. But guess who's here? He's here now. We made it out to the beach. Where you at, Jonathan? There he is. And about to dip our feet in real quick and then go get some seafood. Man, it's been a long day. Excited to be out here, and we're gonna soak it up. We won't be doing any filming for the rest of the night. We're just gonna enjoy ourselves, have a couple brewskis, and have an amazing evening. We'll check back in with you guys early in the morning. Later.
See, what we have here is an indigenous pelican. It looks harmless, but one bite could mean your life.
Higher. Yeah, a little higher. Just a touch, because I'm gonna do. Yeah, right there. But I'm gonna do straight down.